Hi, I'm Paul Motley, and today we're going to have a look at Spencer Mecham's affiliate marketing course. Now, if you haven't heard of Spencer, then you should really check him out. He's actually, when he was first in ClickFunnels, he actually did $10,000 in his very first month as a ClickFunnels affiliate. What that means is that by selling ClickFunnels accounts, which is a sales funnel tool, then he actually earned $10,000 in his very first month. And his course actually goes through the exact methods that he used to get that first $10,000 and how you can actually use that and his own strategies to create the same level of income as he did there. So I'm going to have a look and we're going to dive into the actual demo here, so you're actually going to see what he's talking about. So if I click this button here, he's going to start off with a little intro.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Affiliate Secrets course. I'm so excited for us to do this. You're probably looking at how much I've put in here, and there's just tons and tons of video content, tons of other resources and things you can use.
Now Spencer's going to go into the basic building blocks, if you like, of how to build a business using affiliate marketing. So he's going to run through that there. For in this video itself, just the start video is just over 11.5 minutes long, and this is basically going through how to sell anything online, starting off with a product, the traffic, the funnel, and of course the email follow-up there. So this is the very first part of it there. And if you want to go ahead and get this course, then there will be links below this video to get that as well, along with a link to get hold of a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels itself, because believe it or not, this whole entire course, or this membership if you like, has actually been built inside of ClickFunnels. It's just one of the many things you can actually do with ClickFunnels. Personally, I use it every day. I've earned tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, for my own business using ClickFunnels. So if you don't have a business, or you're looking to start a business, or even if you've got a business, then I greatly recommend you getting that software. So this is going to dive into exactly what we're talking about. This is affiliate marketing concepts. So there's an introduction, choosing your niche, and product selection, of course, providing value. Of course, we always want to provide as much value to our visitors or website visitors that we possibly can, and different ways of marketing there. And of course, this is a super important thing about tracking and how to make, well, like he says there, it's boring, but it's oh so important. Right, so let's dive into what he actually does as far as ClickFunnels goes. So he's got different strategies there, and this is a screenshot of his own affiliate back office. So it's showing you what he earned today, and that particular day, which was June 1st, I believe, of 2017. And it's not bad going, actually, considering at the time I think he was still working, and he was starting to earn this fantastic money there. So yeah, it's good. And so we look at this. There's updates, there's extra bonuses, and how to actually start doing the individual products for ClickFunnels itself. One of the really cool things is that it goes into an awful lot of detail about different ways to get traffic into your website. So there's a whole section there about YouTube marketing. There's a whole section about AdWords, about how to actually start PPC or using AdWords, how to get your quality score up, how to get your keywords, how to structure your ads, some examples of ads, as extensions, pre-qualifying. So this alone probably is worth the actual fee for the course itself, because this is something that you can actually use not just for ClickFunnels, but also for many other affiliate marketing or any other affiliate offers that you come across, or even your local business as well. So it's a huge opportunity to learn from one of the best in the business, so you can get right in there. And something else about traffic as well, solo ads. Now solo ads are effectively you tapping into people that already have a list, so they've already done the work, they've got lots of people to opt into their list, and you are effectively renting part of that list out. You might say, okay, well, let's say, for example, Marcus, you go to Marcus and say, Marcus, I want you to send me 100 people to my website. And Marcus will say, okay, right, 100 clicks is going to cost you X, Y, and Z. And most of the time it's like 50 cents per click, 60 pence per click, and sometimes you can actually get a little lower than that, depending on what you're going to do. And he will make sure that you get those 100 people to actually visit your website. So that's really good because you're getting guaranteed traffic. So it's a massive increased probability that those people are then going to opt in to whatever you're selling. And that, of course, makes you money on the back end then as well. So it's pretty cool like that. Another thing to consider as well is your email marketing as well, because once you get people to opt in, you then want to start sending them down a little line. So you're going to send them emails, sometimes every day, sometimes every other day. In some cases, people send them 2 or 3 times a day because not all emails are opened. As we know, email open rates can be quite low. So you need to make sure that you are building a relationship with that person and providing as much value as possible to make sure that when it comes to sending them particular offers, then they're more inclined to go ahead and buy. So what else have we got here? Bonuses. Gotta love the bonuses. Love the bonuses. This is Spencer's own ClickFunnels. Basically, it's a huge ClickFunnels course. I think there's like 7 or 12 hours worth of walkthrough videos. He's spent a huge amount of time actually working on this, and he's actually going to show you exactly how to use ClickFunnels as a software itself. So that's a massive bonus as well. He's got access to his own Facebook group, of course. We can go ahead and click that. So his own private Facebook group, so you get access to that, and by that way you also get access to him as well. Some download funnels, so you can actually just drag each of those funnels basically straight into your own ClickFunnels account, which is really cool. And the oh look, this is mine. The ClickFunnels. So actually no, this is the Facebook Pixel Guide by myself there. Where I actually go into, this is my own membership thing. I used to be selling this, and now I gave it to Spencer to add it as a bonus for his own course. So what you can actually learn inside of that is how to use the Facebook Pixel, basically what is the Facebook Pixel and how you can then use it within your ads to generate extra leads and sales. It's pretty comprehensive. I did it last year, so hopefully most of the stuff's still up to date, so that's well worth getting the ticket on this as well. And an extra plugin as well, this is the ClickFunnels Affiliate Grabber. Now what this does is a little Google Chrome extension, so every time that you manage to sell an account, it will grab that email address and then you can stick it into a Google Doc where you can then connect it up to your mail provider to start sending them down a sequence of emails, sort of onboarding them. So it's all pretty good. So what you've actually seen here is a pretty inclusive course about affiliate marketing, some fantastic case studies, some great examples there, and something that you will use and you'll refer back to just like I do. I mean, I got this a little while ago and I still go back to it now just to see exactly what's still working and trying to advance things as much as possible. So hopefully you found this sort of like little walkthrough useful. And if you want to go ahead and get this course, then by all means click this link below, and I'm sure he will look after you extremely well.